Making decisions can be really challenging. I think that most of us have an easy time making decisions about some things, but then there are other areas of our lives where it doesn't seem to matter how much research or thinking or whatever we do, we just can't seem to come to a good decision or feel really confident about our decisions, or at least make a decision quickly. So in this video, I just wanted to share one really quick tip that can help you make better decisions a lot faster. Okay, so tell me if you've ever had this experience before. You're trying to make a decision. You're trying to decide, should I paint the wall white or should I paint the wall gray? Maybe you're trying to decide, should I watch this movie or should I watch this other movie? Or maybe you're just trying to decide what shirt to wear, should I wear the white shirt or should I wear the black shirt? And so then you have this great idea. You're like, okay, well, I can't decide, so I'll flip a coin. But what happens when you flip that coin? You flip the coin and then, oh, it's heads, and that means you should wear the white shirt. And instantly you feel like you wish that the other decision had been made, or you're a little bit regretful, or maybe you're secretly happy. Maybe you're like, oh yeah, that was the one I really wanted. Has this ever happened to you? Hit the like button down below if you've had this experience before. So what the big tip is to use this experience, the situation that you've been in before, use it to help you make decisions faster. So here's what you do. Next time you're trying to decide, should I wear the red pants or should I wear the blue pants? All you need to do is ask someone, which pants do you think I should wear? And then here's where the really sneaky part comes in. You're not actually going to go with their decision at all. All you're going to do is judge how you feel based on their decision. So if you ask your husband, should we paint the walls white or should we paint them gray? And he says, how about white? And you think, yes, then that's what you really wanted. But if you're like, oh, I wish you'd chosen gray, then really you want gray. The other way you can do this is, of course, to flip a coin. So you are trying to decide where to go out to eat tonight, and it's Chinese or it's Mexican, and so you flip the coin and it's heads, and that means Chinese, and you're like, oh. Well, if you have that reaction deep down inside, then you actually wanted Mexican food. Okay, so I know that this is a tiny little tip, but I just heard it the other day, and I really wanted to share it with you guys because I thought it was really clever. And as always, I love to share free stuff with you guys, so I've got a free checklist for you today. It's called Let's Do This, a checklist to start taking action and stop procrastinating, and it's exactly what it sounds like. If you want to download this checklist for free, then just click the link down below. If you like this video and want to see more videos like it, then make sure you subscribe to my channel because I make 2 videos every single week and I don't want you to miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I really look forward to seeing you again next time.